Welcome back. This design features one of my favorite things in the world, which is Minnie Mouse. I was on eBay looking for nail art and I came across these nail wraps from a company called Jamberry. I had never heard of the company before, but apparently they just went out of business recently, but a lot of their products are on eBay. The design on this wrap is called Downtown Minnie. So I'll be starting off by applying a very thin layer of clear acrylic to all the nails. I started off by measuring my fingers to the different size wraps to figure out which size I would use. And I struggled with these a little bit at first. I did the whole thumb and didn't even realize it was off camera. But I watched a few videos to try to find the best technique to apply the wraps, and it seems like the best way to do it was to apply it from the center of the wrap and smooth that out, and then press down the sides. I did get a few wrinkles along the edges of the sides. I tried to smooth out the best that I could. I'm sure, obviously, these wraps weren't made to be applied to acrylic nails, but that's what I found to work the best. Applying it and getting it right where I wanted it, and then smoothing down the middle first allowed me to get the rest in place easier. And then I just filed off the excess. Also, you're supposed to apply heat to really activate the adhesive and get the wrap to stick better. So once I applied it and got it just how I wanted it in the place that I wanted it, I had a small portable space heater that I used to heat it up. Ah, you can just cut the excess off instead of filing it to death. Brilliant. Not too bad. I did still have some of the crinkling on the edges left on some of them that I just couldn't get rid of. But I was hoping that when I went in and encapsulated all the nails in clear acrylic that it would hide some of it, and it did. And for the most part, as I went along, I got better, and they turned out pretty good. Now for the accent nail, I have gold and black holographic Mickey Mouse glitter that I got on eBay, and black acrylic bows that I have had for years that I believe I also got from eBay. So I'm going to re-wet the nail with monomer and use a wet brush to pick up the individual pieces of glitter and apply them to the nail. I then encapsulated the entire nail in clear acrylic, and with one last bead at the top, I applied the bow and pressed it down into the nail. And whenever I put a bow on a nail, I always pack in the nail with clear acrylic underneath. I do this for two reasons. One, it secures the bow to the nail better. And two, if I just put the bow on the nail loose, the sides will snag on my hair, in my clothes. I learned the hard way about washing my hair with a bow just sitting on top of my nail. So it doesn't affect the shape or the design. You can't see it bulging out from the sides. It's just underneath the bow securing it. this one was rough. It definitely took patience, but I think it turned out pretty good considering it was my first time experimenting with the nail wraps. And towards the end, I think I got the hang of it. So I'll definitely use them again in future nail designs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this set, and until next time.